Talofa lava, warm Pacific greetings. I'm Michael Jones and I'm part of Reef Group, the people behind Pure Pacifika Samoan nonu, and we're going to tell you a bit about this amazing health product.
Samoa is a South Pacific island paradise, an unspoiled island surrounded by the clearest deep blue water. It is in these lush, green, pristine lands that Pure Pacifika have created its virgin nonu fruit juice production, from collections of the best nonu fruits in the world, from its nonu plantations and local farmers, to the state-of-the-art processing factory to produce exceptional nonu fruit juice. This island paradise is a world away and is known for its friendly people, quiet healthy lifestyle and clean green environment. It is on these lands that we find the Pacifika nonu plantation and nursery, the largest producer of nonu fruit in the South Pacific. Nonu fruit also grows throughout all of Samoa due to the fertile organic soil. Nonu is believed to have first arrived in the Pacific 2,000 years ago with the ancient Polynesian voyagers. It is a superfruit, revered for its medicinal powers and nutritional values. It was known as the fruit of the gods by our early Polynesian forefathers. We collect nonu fruit every day of the week on both main islands of Samoa, Savaii and Upolu. The trucks which collect the nonu fruit go to different parts of the island throughout the week and collect by districts. Upon collection, all fruit is critically analysed by trained fruit inspectors to ensure only the best quality nonu fruit is collected. All fruit is collected and put immediately into drums to be transported back to the depot. The drums of fruit are put through a sorting table once they arrive at the depot, where the fruit is washed, sorted and put into barrels. They are held for 3 to 6 months in these barrels to allow the fruit to undergo a maturation process before being pressed. All drums are then transported to the Waitele factory in preparation for processing from nonu fruit to nonu juice. The fruit is put into pressing machines. The fruit is pressed and the juice is squeezed out and drained into 3,000 litre vats. The nonu juice is then pasteurized and the end product is 100% pure virgin nonu tonic. Pure Pacifika can produce 150,000 litres a fortnight, which equates to approximately 4 million litres per annum. This nonu fruit juice can be sent to you in various forms: in 22,000 litre flexi tanks, in 1,000 litre plastic containers or IBCs, or it can be bottled, packaged to your requirement in our state-of-the-art Pure Pacifika bottling factory in Auckland. Our long-term goal is to produce enough nonu juice for all our key markets, namely China, Japan and other Asian countries. We have sent nonu juice to other markets including Germany, Russia and want to expand more into Europe and the USA. Achieving balance in our lives between work and family life is a challenge. Pressure and stress take their toll on our health, which is often neglected. The nonu fruit, grown only in tropical climates, has been used in ancient times throughout Polynesia as a source of well-being. Nonu tonic helps to support immune defenses, gives support for sound sleep and stamina, assists blood level activity and normal cholesterol balance, an antioxidant that supports overall well-being and health. While nonu tonic is an acquired taste, its health-promoting qualities are unquestionable.
Pure Pacifika nonu is one of the most exciting organic products to come out of the Pacific. People worldwide are finding out what Polynesians knew for centuries. Nonu really is a superfruit with amazing health benefits. Ia manuia lava.